Approximately 56 out of every 100 people worldwide have undergone at least one root canal treatment as of 2026, and the average cost typically ranges from $500 to $2,500. But what if we could undo every cavity, every coffee stain, every root canal bill that made you cry? Scientists just made a gel that literally regrows tooth enamel. And no, this isn't some Instagram ad selling you activated charcoal snake oil, which is wild because most of us can't even get our hair to grow back. But sure, let's try with teeth. Researchers at the University of Nottingham just cracked the code on regrowing enamel. That hard outer shell that's supposed to protect your teeth from literally everything you put in your mouth. Turns out enamel doesn't regenerate. Your body can heal bones, skin, even your dignity after a bad Tinder date. But not enamel. Once it's gone, you're stuck with sensitivity, cavities, and that dentist stare. And yet, nearly half the global population has screwed it up. Thanks coffee, tequila, and your boyfriend's magical serum. But this new gel, it actually rebuilds your enamel. And here's how. You slap it on your teeth, takes like 2 minutes, same as the regular fluoride treatment, but without the aftertaste of industrial waste. The gel seeps into all those micro cracks you didn't know existed. Then it forms a scaffold that grabs calcium and phosphate from your saliva and crystallizes them into a new enamel, perfectly aligned with your existing tooth structure. The fancy term is epitaxial mineralization. In simple terms, your teeth are Wolverine now. They tested this thing under real conditions, brushing, chewing, acidic foods, and it held up like actual healthy enamel, not some knockoff version you'd buy on Amazon. Oh, and it doesn't use fluoride. Fluoride treatments just slow down the damage. It's like putting a band-aid on a sinking ship. This gel, it rebuilds your teeth. It's the difference between putting a condom on after the damage is done and actually preventing the problem in the first place. Because nothing good comes easy, it's not on shelves yet. The team spun up a company called Mintech-Bio, and they are gunning for a commercial product by the next year. But here's why this matters. Tooth decay links to diabetes, health disease, and other fun stuff. And up until now, all we could do was preventing damage. Brush, floss, or pretended we floss. But this gel doesn't just prevent decay, it reverses it. It's the dental equivalent of waking up after a one-night stand and realizing they're actually attractive in daylight. So yeah, your dentist might still tell you to floss, but soon they might also be able to say, don't worry, we'll just regrow them. Just like your hairline wishes it could. And this is the CBC report. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.